Gentlemen, let's be honest, true confidence doesn't just come from how you dress or speak. It's rooted deep within your vitality, your strength, and your ability to feel alive in every part of your body. For centuries, men have sought quick fixes, pills, and shortcuts, often ignoring the incredible natural remedies that nature has already provided. Today, I want to shift your focus not toward temporary solutions but toward powerful, natural methods that can truly support your body's ability to perform at its best. Main body. Your body is like a finely tuned machine. When circulation is strong, hormones are balanced, and your mind is clear, everything works in harmony. But when stress, poor diet, or neglect creeps in, that harmony is disrupted. The result? Fatigue, lack of firmness, and a dip in confidence. This is where nature steps in. Certain natural oils have been used for centuries to support better blood flow, boost vitality, and nourish the tissues that are essential for male performance. These aren't synthetic chemicals, they're plant-based, nutrient-rich, and time-tested. When it comes to reclaiming strength, vitality, and confidence, many people overlook one of the most powerful allies they already have at their disposal, nature itself. For centuries, before the rise of synthetic drugs and quick fixes, men and women relied on the earth's natural remedies to support their health and well-being. Nature is not just a source of beauty, it's a pharmacy that has been providing solutions for generations. The oils, herbs, and plant-based extracts that come directly from the earth hold unique properties designed to nourish, heal, and restore balance in the body. When you choose to trust nature, you're choosing something that works in harmony with your body's natural systems, rather than forcing it into unnatural states. Think about how the human body evolved. For thousands of years, our ancestors lived in direct connection with their environment. They consumed whole foods, used herbs for healing, and relied on plant oils for everything from skin nourishment to internal balance. Their bodies responded positively because these substances were familiar. They didn't contain artificial additives, harsh chemicals, or synthetic compounds that confused the body. Instead, they were pure, simple, and effective. In the same way, natural oils have the ability to support circulation, nourish tissues, and restore vitality in a way that aligns with how your body is designed to function. When natural oils are applied, they interact with your skin and underlying tissues on a cellular level. Many of these oils are rich in antioxidants, fatty acids, and bioactive compounds that stimulate blood flow, relax muscles, and deliver essential nutrients directly where they're needed. Unlike many artificial solutions that only offer temporary effects, natural oils work gradually and sustainably. They encourage your body to heal, strengthen, and adapt over time. This is not an overnight fix, it's a relationship between your body and nature that deepens with consistent use. Another important factor is how natural remedies support overall well-being. These oils don't just affect the surface, they often have aromatherapeutic and psychological benefits as well. Certain natural oils, when inhaled or massaged into the skin, can calm the nervous system, reduce stress levels, and promote relaxation. This matters because mental and emotional states are deeply connected to physical performance. When you feel more at ease, your body functions better. Circulation improves, hormonal balance stabilizes, and confidence grows. Nature doesn't just work on one layer of your health, it supports the entire system. Many people underestimate the power of going back to basics. Modern culture is filled with promises of instant results, but those quick solutions often come with side effects or fade over time. Natural oils, on the other hand, encourage you to slow down and build a routine. As you apply these oils consistently, you're not just nourishing your body, you're creating a moment of self-care, a ritual that connects you to yourself. This simple daily act reinforces discipline, mindfulness, and self-respect, all of which contribute to overall vitality. Trusting nature also means understanding its intelligence. Every plant grows with a unique chemical makeup that serves a purpose. Some improve circulation, others calm inflammation, some protect the skin, and others support hormonal balance. When these properties are harnessed properly, they become powerful tools for supporting health naturally. The beauty is that these substances are recognized by your body. Instead of forcing your system into unnatural states, natural oils work in synergy with your cells, gently guiding them back toward balance. This approach respects the body's wisdom. Your body knows how to heal and function optimally, it just needs the right support. By choosing natural methods, you give your body what it understands best. You reduce the risk of negative side effects, avoid unnecessary chemicals, and cultivate a stronger, more stable foundation for lasting health. Nature offers this to you freely. It's a resource that doesn't demand shortcuts or artificial enhancements. All it asks is that you commit, trust the process, and allow it to do what it's been doing for centuries. True transformation doesn't happen in a single moment of inspiration. It happens through the quiet, consistent actions that are repeated day after day. Daily habits are the foundation upon which lasting strength and vitality are built. Every small action you take, even the ones that seem insignificant, adds up over time to create powerful change. When you commit to healthy routines, your body begins to adapt, your mind becomes more focused, and your confidence naturally strengthens. This is why the emphasis must shift away from instant gratification and toward disciplined, intentional daily practice. The human body thrives on consistency. It responds to patterns, adapts to routines, and strengthens through repetition. Just like muscles grow when exercised regularly, every aspect of your health improves when it is supported daily. Whether it's supplying natural oils, maintaining proper nutrition, exercising, or practicing relaxation techniques, the real results come when these actions become part of your lifestyle rather than occasional efforts. One day of effort can spark motivation, but it is the steady rhythm of daily commitment that brings real transformation. Think of it like planting a seed. You can't plant it once and expect a fully grown tree the next morning. It needs water, sunlight, and time. The same applies to your health. Every drop of effort nourishes your body's ability to function better tomorrow than it did today. When you establish daily habits, you're training your mind as much as your body. Discipline becomes second nature, and what once felt like a task gradually turns into an automatic part of your life. This mental shift is powerful because motivation naturally fluctuates, but discipline carries you through even when you don't feel like it. Over time, these daily actions stop feeling forced and start becoming something you genuinely look forward to. Your morning routine, your moments of self-care, your time spent nourishing your health, they all begin to shape your identity. You stop viewing these habits as temporary measures and start seeing them as integral parts of who you are. Daily habits also create momentum. Momentum is that invisible force that makes staying on track easier the longer you keep going. The first few days may feel challenging because your body and mind are adjusting, but as the days turn into weeks, something shifts. Your energy levels improve, your body responds more efficiently, and you begin to notice subtle yet powerful changes. These changes reinforce your commitment, making it easier to keep going. Just like a snowball rolling down a hill, your efforts start small but gain speed and strength over time. Another key aspect of daily habits is that they give structure to your health journey. Without a routine, it's easy to become inconsistent, to postpone what matters, or to rely on bursts of motivation that eventually fade. A structured daily practice removes guesswork. It provides clarity and direction, ensuring that each day you're making tangible progress toward your goals. Even on days when life feels busy or overwhelming, having established habits means you can still take small, meaningful steps forward. This consistency protects your progress from being derailed by distractions or temporary challenges. Daily commitment also communicates something important to your mind, that your health is a priority. Every time you choose to follow through with your healthy habit, you're reinforcing the belief that your well-being matters. This internal message builds self-respect and confidence, which in turn fuels even more positive actions. It's a cycle that strengthens over time. The more consistently you act, the more your body and mind respond, and the easier it becomes to sustain your progress. Moreover, daily habits allow you to make gradual adjustments along the way. Instead of relying on extreme changes or sudden overhauls, you can fine-tune your routine as you observe how your body responds. This adaptability ensures that your habits remain realistic, sustainable, and aligned with your personal needs. It's not about perfection, it's about persistence. Each day is an opportunity to take one more step in the right direction, to build on yesterday's efforts, and to set the stage for tomorrow's results. Over time, these small steps compound into significant improvements, transforming your health from the inside out. Taking responsibility for your health is one of the most empowering decisions you can make. It's a shift from passively hoping for change to actively creating it. Your body reflects the choices you make, the habits you follow, and the level of care you give it each day. No one else can make these decisions for you. Doctors, mentors, or loved ones can guide and support, but ultimately, it's your daily actions that determine the state of your well-being. When you accept full responsibility, you stop looking for excuses or waiting for the perfect time. Instead, you begin to recognize that every moment is an opportunity to make choices that shape your strength, vitality, and confidence. Responsibility starts with awareness. It means becoming conscious of how your lifestyle, environment, and mindset affect your health. Many people go through life on autopilot, ignoring their body's signals until problems become too big to overlook. Taking responsibility means listening to those signals early and acting before issues escalate. It's acknowledging when habits need to change, when your energy is low, or when stress is taking its toll, and then choosing to do something about it. This kind of awareness transforms your relationship with your body. You stop treating it as something separate and start seeing it as your greatest asset, something that responds to the care and attention you give. Owning your health also means embracing consistency even when it's inconvenient. There will always be distractions, challenges, and moments of low motivation. Waiting for ideal conditions often leads to endless delays. Responsibility requires you to follow through even when it's not easy, to prioritize your well-being even in the midst of a busy schedule, and to understand that no external factor should dictate your level of commitment. This level of accountability builds resilience. It teaches you that discipline matters more than fleeting motivation, and that lasting change depends on your willingness to show up for yourself. Another important aspect of responsibility is letting go of blame. It's easy to attribute health challenges to genetics, circumstances, or external pressures, but that mindset keeps you stuck. Taking responsibility doesn't mean ignoring external factors, it means focusing on what you can control. You may not control every element of your health, but you control your daily choices, your attitude, and your effort. This mental shift from blame to ownership is where real growth happens. Instead of seeing obstacles as excuses, you start viewing them as challenges to overcome. Taking responsibility also involves educating yourself. The more you understand your body, the more empowered you become to make better decisions. Responsibility pushes you to seek knowledge, to ask questions, to understand what works for you instead of relying blindly on trends or temporary fixes. It encourages you to develop a relationship with your health that's based on clarity, not confusion. When you take ownership, you don't wait for someone else to tell you what to do, you become actively engaged in shaping your wellness journey. This mindset also affects how you view setbacks. When responsibility is at the core, setbacks don't break your commitment. Instead, they become opportunities to learn and adjust. You stop seeing slip-ups as failures and start viewing them as feedback. You analyze what went wrong, make changes, and move forward. This kind of resilience is built through personal accountability. It gives you the strength to keep going regardless of temporary challenges. Responsibility extends beyond physical actions. It's also about the mindset you cultivate. The way you talk to yourself, the beliefs you hold about your abilities, and the expectations you set all influence your health journey. When you adopt a mindset of responsibility, you stop waiting for motivation to appear and instead create it through deliberate action. You begin to trust yourself more deeply, knowing that your well-being is in your hands. This sense of control eliminates feelings of helplessness and replaces them with empowerment. Taking charge of your health also inspires a deeper sense of self-respect. Every choice you make that aligns with your well-being reinforces the belief that you are worthy of care and effort. This internal validation is far more powerful than external approval because it comes from a place of genuine commitment. Over time, this respect grows stronger, fueling even more responsible choices. As this cycle continues, your confidence expands, and your health becomes a reflection of the responsibility you consistently uphold.